Hi guys, welcome to Technology. So as we have seen that one of my friend told me one of the problem, that is intruder detector problem. So let me give this solution. So this is how I have done my circuit. I've just mounted the three main components, that is node MCU, PIR sensor and my relay module. So to make my work easy, what I have done is I just took the screws and I have just mounted it on a one single board. What it makes is I can easily make the connection and also you will be getting better understanding of it. So next up what we require is we require a patch cord, that to female. So first let me tell how much we require. Let's see. So as according to the circuit diagram we require 3 for PIR sensor. So let me take 3 patch cords. Before it goes one by one we'll do circuit diagram. So first of all, here you can see there is a 3V3 and one is ground. So I'll just connect one of the patch cord for 3V3, that is 3 volt supply will be getting from here, and that I'll be giving connection over here. One of the connection for 3 volt 3 and another I'll be giving for ground of that particular pin. So one ground is given and one here 3 volt 3. See here it will be. So here we have connected, that is 3V3 and one I have given as ground. So these two I have just connected, and one more, that is output of this particular pin, that I'll be connecting for D0. So let's see where is my D5. So this is my D5. So just I'll be connecting one of that for my D5. So what I'll be doing is these 3 pins I'll just take it out and then I'll see what is V3, that is green color. So here you can see that there are 3 written over here on the sensor, VCC, output and ground. So what we'll be doing is for VCC you connect the 3V3 of node MCU and then give that ground signal for ground 1. Okay, and the output which we are going to connect, that you have to give for the output that is in middle. So here at last one we have. So here I have connected the 2 pins, that is ground and 3V3. You can just see here that I just have connected these 2 for my node MCU, and one I required one of the patch cord that to connect the output of my PIR sensor to the digital pin of the node MCU. So which I have selected in circuit diagram. I have told you that D5 is the output of my this one. What is that? Is PIR sensor. So D5 is my output and these 2 are my VCC and ground. So what I'll be doing is, see here the yellow one I have, that is 3V3. So here I have VCC, that I'll just connect it over here, and the ground green color I'll just give to the ground which is there at side, and the middle one, that is output of PIR sensor and digital pin D5 of my node MCU. This is how I just have completed the connection of node MCU with PIR sensor. And next again I required 3 patch cords, that is female to connect my relay module. So basically the 2 patch cords I required it to make the connection of 3V3, that is 3V3. I just connect the red one for 3V3 and then ground. I just have to give one of the ground. Here I have ground pin. I just connect. Okay, here I have just connected, one is 3V3 and ground, and then I have to take this both pin as the VCC and ground of my relay module. You can see there is written over here on the relay module, that is VCC, ground and input. So what I'll be doing is VCC pin, let me connect it for VCC, and then ground pin, let me give it for ground 1 of my relay module. And next one of the patch cord I require to connect the input of it. So there's one input, let me connect it, and just I can use any one of the pin over here from D0 to D8. So I just have mentioned in circuit diagram that I'll be using D1. So let's use that only. You can use anyone if you require, but just you have to get selected in a Blink app that you are using particular pin. So this is how we have completed with all the circuit connections of this particular module, that is IoT based intruder detection system. So now let us see whether it actually works or not, how it will work, what signal it used to give us, how the person or any object pass over that, how it will detect. So let me try it out. Let's give supply for my node MCU, and then we'll make we'll see whether the output in our mobile, whether it is coming right or wrong. So let us go for it. So I just have taken my power bank. It is from there. I'll just give the supply for node MCU. This is how the supply is given, and I have to use my mobile over here. So I just get so here what I have done is I just have made things which I required for making this particular. Here I just added one notification bar, here message, and this one is on button. So I just have to on first my hotspot that I required. So just on hotspot. Let me see it is connected or no. So I just have to wait for a few seconds where it has to connect it with the my node MCU, and now it is showing system is connected. So as we can see that the system is on. Now when a person or anyone passes to this, that is my what I can say is here, what it will show that intruder alert or intruder is detected. Okay, if I just do okay over that, and if I just pass any person over here, if I just passing the person any, what we required is we required a speed of internet. So what it gives is it gives this immediate message, but when there is a low range of internet it gives late message, but message comes within 1 to 3 minutes. It will get us message that whether a person is being enter in your home or no. So this how by checking all the connections and whatever the working, we can see that we can able to detect the intruder which will be coming in our home. See how it is going to alert us, because a pin of noise also can be detected by use of this particular PIR sensor. Okay, so now let us go with my friend. Let us see that how he would like or no. Hi, now have you seen that everything whatever I have done, the connection?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, you can see that this circuit will helpful you very much.
Yeah.
Where you can place it in your home and you can move anywhere you want, because just you have to carry your own cell phone and it will get you the signal. Have you seen the working of it? Like just let me show you once again that how it can be working. See here, if I just pass a person, you require just it has to connect with your devices, and you keep this circuit over here and you have to pass the signal. Okay, just whenever the person or any intruder comes in middle, whenever a person comes, you have to require keep your internet fast. Because what
here I have message.
See,
I can see the message.
Yeah, it coming right. Alert intruder detected. So this is how you can get the message. If you get, you can set the alarm also. See, just I have made the here relay model. Here you can set one of the output that you can give for this one or buzzer. When anyone comes, it used to sound the buzzer. Then it can give you alert also.
Okay.
Okay, this how. Okay, this is for you.
हाँ भाई, और ये पूछना था, ये मेरे फोन में चलेगा क्या?
Yeah, चलेगा, क्यों नहीं? अब तेरे फोन में तू लॉगिन कर सकता है ID. You just require.
Android में चलता है.
It is works in anyone, Android, iOS, anything. Just you have to download this particular Blink app and it will get. Okay.
अच्छा हुआ देखिए करके दिया तूने.
Yeah.
अभी मैं किधर भी जाऊँ, चाहे तो इंडिया के बाहर भी जाऊँ, इसको इंटरनेट कनेक्ट कर दिया तो मुझे मैसेज आता ही रहेगा. कौन भी आया, कौन भी नहीं.
It can be done. Okay.
So thank you.
Thank you. It's okay, fine. So guys, have you seen the video? That was how everything what we did is all the connection, the working also, and we have talked with my friend also that he was very happy to get one of the solution for his problem. So this was my gadget which I've done, and you can do it in your home. It's not so difficult. It's so very much easy, having a few steps. So thank you for watching this video.